Problem 3. A vertical cylinder of 80 mm diameter is penetrated by another cylinder of 60 mm diameter, the axis of which is parallel to both the HP and the VP. The two axes are 8 mm apart. Draw the projections showing curves of intersection. First, we starting drawing top view. Given vertical cylinder 80 mm diameter of circle. Then we draw projection line. Then draw cylinder height 100 mm assume. Then we draw horizontal center line in the cylinder. Given horizontal cylinder apart 8 mm in vertical cylinder axis. Now which point we get, then draw a circle 60 mm diameter. Now circle divide in 12 part, name 1 double dash to 12 double dash. Then draw projection line in 1 double dash to 12 double dash for top view and front view. Assume horizontal cylinder height 120 mm. We draw all projection line. Which line we see, draw visible line, and does not see, draw hidden line. Horizontal cylinder line projection cut in vertical cylinder, which portion, then draw projection line in this point. Point 4 projection draw up to 4 dash, 10 dash. Point 3, 4 projection draw up to 3 dash, 11 dash. Point 2, 6 projection draw up to 2 dash, 12 dash. Point 1, 7 projection draw up to 1 dash. Mark projection C in video. Then draw projection point 12, 8 up to 2 dash 12 dash. Point 11, 9, projection draw up to 3 dash 11 dash. Point 10, projection draw up to 4 dash 10 dash. Then draw point in this projection. And joint all point. You try another side.